Sorry guys, my network was interrupted and sorry for that. But right now I think it's back. It's back. But I don't know why does it happen like that. It's very bad. It's very bad, you know. It's very bad. That's not what I want from this. But it is what it is. Let me resend the links again so that they can still connect with us, right? I had a network issue, so it is what it is, man. But right now, I think we are back again. But let me check the connection. I don't know why does it happen like that. But right now, yeah, I think it's back. Sorry guys, I apologize for that. But the network is not kind of stable. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Users, I don't know what's wrong with all of these network providers. I don't know what's wrong with them. But hopefully, we will still be able to do whatsoever we want to do, right? That is very important. So yeah, like I was saying, we will continue with the analysis of this pair being GBP, I mean a Euro JPY. I don't know why my mouth just continue to pronounce this GBP. I think we'll try to trade GBP pairs next week or when the market opens, right? So we'll try and see that. We'll try and see that. So yeah, I don't want to, kind of waste much of your time again. So we'll continue with the analysis, guys. So yeah, but please improve on your risk management. Improve on your risk management, guys. It is very important. Improve on your risk management. I keep on emphasizing on this. Risk management, always, always. Always. Okay, all right. I think you guys grab the risk management side of it now. So we'll continue the analysis of what is it call it, Euro JPY. So we'll continue with that analysis. We'll continue with it. Okay, yeah. So this is GBP. I mean, oh my goodness. Is it because I'm swinging GBP USD? That's why I'm saying GBP every day. Wow. All right. So this is Euro JPY right now, daily time frame, right? So I will start putting my support and resistance on the daily time frame now, and of course this is going to be just my major support and resistance. Then when I go down to smaller time frame, like when I go down to 4 hour time frame, I'll now start amending all of them. There's another one right there. I'll lock it. There's another one right here as well. Lock it. Then this is another. Yep, this is another one. So yeah, this is my support and resistance now on the daily time frame. So what am I going to do next? I'll go down to 4 hour time frame and start amending all of them. You guys can see. So this is it, and I can just adjust this to the upside a little bit like this. Perfect. Yep. So yep. And this will go with this. Yeah. So I'll lock this, lock it. And remember, this is for our time frame, not daily time frame anymore. After locking that, I'll put another. So right on this, put something this way. You see this? I'll put it this way. Of course, I'm putting it on for our time frame. No need for me to change the color. No need for me to change the color anymore. Okay. So and there's another support. So I'll put it here again. This time I'll change the color because this is for our time frame. And the next thing is that I'm still seeing another thing. And let me go back to 4-hour time frame. I mean a daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You know why I come up to daily time frame? I supposed to put trend line. So yep, the trend line is gonna be this way. If I put it, nah, it's gonna be touching the other one like this. It's gonna be touching that. Yep, so you guys can see what is happening, right? Wow, it's kind of getting interesting. If you guys know what I'm talking about. So you see that? All right now. Yeah, it's coming down for retracement, right? But don't expect the market to start going up to the upside from this level. No, don't expect that. And if you are not sure of what you are doing, you still have your Fibonacci retracement. You can use ITT settings and things like that. So these are the settings that I have for my Fib retracement. So you see, I'll be expecting it to come down to this level or to this 50%. So yeah. But of course, I don't use this Fibonacci retracement every time. But at times, I'll just use it for some confirmations, right? Of course, you see another potential support, right, on that. So you see this? So the market can either come down to this level, and of course, I'm still seeing another thing here. So this is where patience will come to play. So you have to be patient enough in order for you to be able to trade what is going to happen on this particular pair being Euro JPY next week. So you have to be patient enough, guys. You have to be patient enough. And very sorry I missed some of you guys pairs and things like that. If you still have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, come on, you can share it and I will check it out for you. Because after this Euro JPY now, we don't have anything, any other thing again to kind of analyze. So we will now be able to call it off a day and things like that because I have a lot of things to cover as well. I have to do Zoom call with my premium students as well. You know, I have to do analysis for the week. I have, you know, a lot of things. I have to do a lot of things. So yeah, but we still have about 53 minutes. You still have about 53 minutes to finish this live stream. So about 53 minutes. So let's continue with this Euro JPY. So yeah, what is going to happen on this Euro JPY is that the market can either continue to move to this level before it will start buying, or it will break out again, come down, retest this before it will start shooting up to the upside again. And those, let me just remind you, this is another market pattern. This is another market pattern. Yeah, we have market structure, market pattern, things like that. So this is it. And this one is kind of flag. So this is flag happening right now. If you take note of this, I'm not going to put it right on that. I'm going to just put it right there like this, and put another one again like this. So this is some sort of flag, you see, forming like this. Then it will break out of this. Once this level get broken, it will definitely go up to the upside. That's what is going to happen. So yeah, expect it to come down. This is what I do, guys. I'll just do my analysis. I'll wait for the market to do what I want it to do. If it is a breakout, I'll wait for it to break out of some structures. If it is not a breakout, I'll still wait for it. So you have to be patient enough and see what the market is doing, because it is very, very important for you to know, or it is very, very important for you to wait and see what is happening on any particular pair that you've analyzed or that you are expecting to trade, or you are expecting either buy or sell on that particular pair as well, right? So yeah, right now that's Euro JPY. Wait for it to come down to either this level or this level before it will start shooting to the upside, because I see a breakout of this structure. Remember this, they are done on our daily time frames, right? Even this trend line just on the daily time frame. So you wait for them and see what exactly is going to happen. It is very, very important. So yeah, that's it. If you have any question regarding this Euro JPY analysis, you can let me know. Hey Israel, I don't understand exactly what you mean by this, what you mean by that, before we go ahead and start analyzing other pairs again in the forex market, right? And also remember, this is another streaming. So like the video, share it again with your friends and family. Also, if you're new on this channel, follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Telegram, on all of our social media platforms, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow us there. All the links are in the description of this video. Just go and check them out and follow us, right? And also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Subscribe to the channel. It is very, very important. So let's continue. Like I said, if you have any question, just ask any question that you have at all. Then I will see if I can help with anything, right? So yeah, somebody is saying GBP JPY. GBP JPY, as you guys can see, we did trade it in my VIP and my premium channel, right? We did trade it, and last week we took about 167, something like that, 167 pips on it. And as you guys can see, as I have the analysis, this is it. So I think we took about 167 or something like that. Let me check it out. Okay, it even went down for 190 pips. 190 pips. Oh my goodness. You see that? That was where we took this sell signal last week. I sent them a sell signal. If you don't understand what I'm saying, let me show you exactly what I did last week. Because I did send them the sell signal. Let me just search it, because GBP JPY, GBP JPY. I want to show you that I did send them the sell signal for it. GBP JPY sell. Where is my? Okay, you guys can see it. This was when I took this signal. Took this trade and sent it to my students. You see that? I say I'm selling GBP JPY. And check my entry point. My entry point here is 139.526, right? I say my entry point is this, and this GBP JPY sell, stop loss, and take profit update. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Do you see all of this? You are seeing it, right? Of course, I would guess that you are seeing it now. So I say GBP JPY, stop loss and take profit, things like that. I say this is the stop loss 100 pips. Then this is the first TP30, and we are able to take about 190 pips on the setup. So right now, um let me show you again where I got in. So this is it. Went down in my direction. I sold it, and right now went down in the direction, man. So that is it. So yeah, I just wanted to just reference that, okay, what I do share or what I do teach here on YouTube is actually working. I'm not just randomly do this, do that, just trying to mislead you or something like that. No, I'm not misleading you. What I'm doing here, that is actually working in the forex market. If not, last week as well, I did send you guys a free signal to free channel about AUDNZD, right? It was AUDNZD. Let's check out AUDNZD as well. AUDNZD, we were able to take 110 pips on that. Oh my goodness. For how long will you just continue to doubt us at ITT? Oh my goodness. It is very important for you to know that, okay, now let me just trust what this guy is saying. At least let me just have some mind of trust for him and things like that, right? Because it is very obvious that whatsoever I do here, that actually is gonna happen, right? And USDJPY, after we closed USDJPY, I saw USDJPY, boom, hit to the downside. You see it? Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. For how long will you be um doubting us here at ITT? For how long? Oh my goodness. Come on, man. We aren't playing here, bro. So you see, this is about 50 pips now. 50 pips. And it's still moving. Still moving, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I say do this, do it. Do this, do it. No crap about it. Well, it is what it is. I'm not just going to be saying this, and that. All I'm just trying to do here is that whatsoever that I'm teaching, either YouTube, whatsoever, is actually what I know that works in the market. I'm not just randomly saying this, do this, do that. No. I've back tested this, and now it is proving that it's working in the market. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to just focus on how you can implement what exactly I'm teaching you. Try to understand it. Understand it, bro. Understand it. It is very, very important. So yeah, this is GBP JPY at the moment, and right now what I'm expecting this GBP JPY to do is it will come down to this level before it will buy, before it will continue to buy to the upside. You see that? I still have the analysis. I didn't delete it or whatsoever. No, I didn't delete nothing. It will still come down to this level before it will start buying, or we might see some sort of consolidation right on this point before it will start buying to the upside. And where is going to be my next target? I can still swing this trade. I can still swing it if I need it or if I want it. If I get it for a buy right here, then the stop loss is going to be way much. That is the only thing. Then you see that the stop loss is going to be like 200 pips. That's why I say you can still wait for it to come down to this level for about like how many pips is it? Let me calculate how many pips is this move. For like about 150 pips, then your stop loss is going to be just 50 pips. In order for you to ride it all the way to this point, to make about 450 pips. Oh my goodness. 450 pips if you are trying to swing this, man. Come on, bro. Let me show you what I did on GBP USD. GBP USD, I was able to take about 500 pips on one single trade. Oh my goodness. 500 pips on one single trade, bro. This is where I got in, right on this level, right here. If I show you my MT4, you gotta see that, okay, I actually got in right on this point. Then, right now, how many pips I am in profit? Let me calculate it for you. You see, about 400 pips now. But last week, the market was about 514 pips. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. 514 pips. Network is still messing up the proper way, right? Okay, I think we are back now. We are back. I think so. So yeah, we are back now. And so that's it, man. That's it. Let me continue with the GBP JPY. So this is it. I'm expecting GBP JPY to come down to this level before it will buy again. But definitely this particular pair is going to buy, guys. Not a sell. We just saw this because I had my signal confluences that I liked last week. That's why I said, okay, let's just try and trade this particular retracement and take about 200 pips, you know. And of course, it did happen. And we took about almost 200 pips. We took about 190 something pips. And that's it. So right now, wait for it to come down to this level before you start buying it. Or, like I do say, you have ITT Fibonacci retracement, then you just use it, and you know, this you expect it to come down either to this level or eventually come down to this level, right? So as you can see, it's rejecting the 50% at the moment. So there is a possibility for it to go to the upside right from here. So there is a possibility for it to start going to the upside right from here, right? So that's what I'm saying, guys. You know, Fibonacci retracement is there for you, and all of these are my settings and things like that. Of course, I did explain to my students why all of these levels on all of these colors are this way, right? You know, that's it. So this red, there's a meaning for that. Green, there's a meaning for that. All of this, there's a meaning for that. All of these colors that you see on my chart, I'm not just saying it because of for fancy stuffs and things like that. No, it has a meaning for me personally. It has a meaning for me. All of these colors, they have a meaning for me personally. So that I can easily identify which one is this, which one is that, right? On my chart. And of course, you can do same thing on your chart as well if you know how to do it. That's it. So yeah, I'm expecting GBP JPY to buy next week or when the market opens. So that's it. And okay, the next period we are having, somebody is saying NASDAQ, right? I will try and analyze NASDAQ for you guys as well, so that you can understand what we are expecting, right? Sorry, let me take some water because it is very important for me to stay hydrated, you know. Okay, sorry. So yeah, we'll try and go down and start analyzing NASDAQ because that's the next pair that we have right here, right? I don't have NASDAQ, okay. I like using Oanda for that. So you see, I still have my analysis on NASDAQ. Oh wow, NASDAQ is going to buy, man. It eventually break out of this level. It's going to buy. You see, reacted to my trend line. So yeah, I still have my analysis on NASDAQ. So I'm expecting it to buy to this level again. It's still going to buy. So there's no need for me to do a NASDAQ analysis again or put, you know, because I have my analysis already. So you see that I was expecting it to go to start moving to the upside from here, but broke out of it right now, hit this level, so it's trying to go come up again to the upside. So from here, I'm expecting NASDAQ to go up. That's what I'm expecting on it. So this is the new analysis for it. This is new prediction, not new analysis. This new prediction on this, expecting Nasdaq to come up to this previous high. You see it. So that's it for Nasdaq. That's it for Nasdaq, and I'm confused on how the trading works because you are not sharing. Right? Could you explain? What do you mean, Andrew? Yeah, Andrew. You said that I'm confused on how the trading works because you are not buying. You are not buying shares, right? Oh my goodness, I can't really get what you meant by what you wrote here. Can you just try and let me know what exactly you are asking of? Because I don't really get this. Just let me know, bro, so that I can just explain it to you. Yeah, so there's no any other pair again from you guys, right? Okay, so it is what it is. I was expecting this particular pair to come down from here, but yeah, still expecting it to come down though. I will still expect it to come down. I'm not going to trade it right now. I'm not going to trade it. ADSGD. And of course, I did say that this is going to come down to this level. I'm still expecting it to come down. All of this move, it is just fake move. This is a fake move on this pair, which is AUD. You can check it out. Oh, it's fake move, moving to the upside. I don't believe it. I don't believe it, bro. It will still come down to the downside. It must come down to touch this level before you start buying. You hear that? So I'm not going to straightforward and start buying this pair. No. Wait for it to complete the retracement first. Because it is very, very important for you to do your analysis and wait for the market to play out before you get in. It is very, very important. Palmer, how often do you use Elliott wave for analysis or more important support and resistance? I don't usually use the Elliott wave that kind of often. As you can see, I haven't even used it. All of this analysis that I did, I haven't used it, but you know, it is something that I do usually follow as usual. I do put the support and resistance. Most importantly is price action, not all of these support and resistance, Elliott wave and things like that. No, price action, bro. Because price action will allow you to know when exactly you are supposed to get into the market, when exactly you are supposed to get out of the market, when exactly you are supposed to hold your trade and ride it all the way to where your take profit is going to be and where your stop loss is going to be, right? So most important aspect of it is price action, not all of these support, resistance, Elliott wave and things like that. Price action matters a lot because price action, how I define it is, I define it as a trader psychology in the forex market. Trader psychology in the forex market. That's what I define as price action. So of course you might have your own definition of how you do understand this price action, but according to me, I do define price action as trader psychology in the market. So that's why I say price action is very important. Compare it to this support, resistance, Elliott wave, all of these theories. So price action matters a lot, bro. That's it. Price action matters a lot. So yeah, like I do say earlier on, if today is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and family. It is very important. So yeah, is there any other pair that you guys want me to still analyze for you before we call it a day and things like that? Because right now there's no any other pair that I can just analyze for you and things like that. I remember today is analysis day, not me sharing this and or trading live. No, it is just analysis day, and that's why I'm asking you guys on all of these things, because it is very very important. Okay, I believe Andrew confused forex to stock trading. That's why he mentioned buying shares. Okay, okay, okay. Kind of getting it now. So yeah, there's difference between stock trading and forex trading, right? If you are maybe investing in the stock market, usually how you do, like Robinhood. If you know the app that they call Robinhood, you can easily trade stock, right? Because like if you want to trade what is it called? There's this stock pairs and things like that. So if you buy it and you hold it, like it's like investment. It's like investment. You don't lose much in the stock market compared in the forex market. You don't lose much in the stock market, because in the stock market you just buy it and hold it. Let's talk for example now Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, it's like investment. You buy it when it is low, and you buy it when it is low, and you wait for it to rise or increase in price, right? So like let's say you bought Bitcoin when it is at $10,000. Then right now Bitcoin I think is about 16,000 or something like that. Then you sell it at higher rate, like right now as it is about 16,000, and if you bought it like 10,000, you know that you have like $6,000 profit, right? So $6,000 profit is still so much. So that's how you trade stock. And you can still scalp them. You can still scalp stock, like all these. There's a lot of them, bro. A lot of them. Because I don't trade stocks. I don't trade stocks, but I have some knowledge or some idea of how you can trade stock and be profitable as well. I have them. So maybe if you want us to start trading stock, I can still do that as well. I can still do that. Let's combine everything, stock market and forex trading. So guys, let me know right now if you want us to start trading stocks as well. Let me know. Let me know right now in the live chat. I want to see those who say, okay, let's trade it and let's do things like that. And of course, I will do a poll on this YouTube channel and Telegram channel as well, so that I can understand those who are interested in stock market. If majority of you voted for yes, we should start trading it, of course I can start preparing for stock market as well, so that we can just go ahead, trade forex, trade stock, all of us, let's go. So it is what it is, man. I can trade everything if I like. I can just trade them. Because that's another thing with forex, man. With all of this knowledge, once you have it, you have it. Oh wow, CHF. Yep, CHF I think is going to buy when the market opens. Oh my goodness, this is a very very nice trade. It's going to buy. It's going to buy when the market opens. Let me. Yep, definitely it's going to buy. Maybe to this level. But let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens when the market opens. I just had the analysis, but I didn't trade it. I didn't trade the CHF. Same with CAD JPY. I just have the analysis, but I did not trade it. Okay, same with CHF JPY. So CHF JPY last week, we closed it at negative 26 pips, if I'm not mistaken it. So yeah, we closed it at negative 26 pips, and right now it is around negative 50 something pips, But thank God that we closed it at negative 26. If not, we would have gone deeply in a loss. So it is what it is. We closed at negative 26. I see that the market is not going in, it's not cooperating at all. At all, it's not cooperating. So that's why I say, we should just close this particular trade and focus on others, right? And same with USD JPY. We closed the USD JPY as well. Yeah, that's it, man. So easy. All of this, I have my analysis on some of this trade. I have my analysis on there. So you see this GBP or Euro GBP as well. finally hit our final take profit, but we've been in this particular trade for a long period of time, man. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to hold it. And of course, I know that some of you guys just get out of it. Which pair is that? Euro knock, okay. That's the exotic pair. So, I have analysis on all of these pairs. Which one is that? Okay, Euro USD. Which one is this? This is Eurozar. GBP AUD. Oh my goodness. GBP AUD, I think is going to sell when the market opens. Breakout retest. Boom. It's going to sell, man. But let's see what is going to happen when the market opens, right? Which one is this? GBP CHF. Okay, yeah. GBP CHF as well. We took it last week. And we had our first take profit hit. As you guys can see, last week, me, my VIP students, and also my premium students, we took this trade, GBP CHF. But we had our first take profit hit. Right now, I'm still in the trade. I'm still in it. Expecting the market to go for about how many pips? I think is getting to 200 pips, something like that. Yeah, 180 pips. So I'm expecting the particular market to go for 180 pips next when the market opens, right? And this is GBP JPY is still coming down for now. GBP knock, So that's it, guys. That's it. In the absence of any pair from you, and there's no any other question, there's no any other thing that I can just share with you guys, because today is just analysis day. It's not day that we are supposed to do live trade or anything like that. No. So that's the end of it, bro. That's the end of it. So yeah, like I said earlier on, that if today is the first time here, please subscribe to the channel, and also like the video, share with your friends and family. So let me read some of your comments so that I can know what you guys are saying. I beg. Let's focus on what we are doing. Leave stock alone on our ITT, please. We don't need confusion. Oh my oh my goodness. So all right, we are not going to trade the stock market and things like that. We are not going to trade them. So but why are you guys scared of stock market? Anyway, Israel, please don't forget a video about who, bro? Which video is that? Can you just let me know? Remind me of which video is that, so that I can just keep record of it. So yeah, before we go, I'd like to thank each and every one of you that are coming to this live stream and things like that. Maybe some of them, they are not off from church or whatever. I don't really understand, but it is what it is. There's not so much fear from you guys, so we are done. And by either 5 or 6, 6 Eastern time. See, that's 6 p.m. Eastern time. We are going to have our Zoom call, so it's going to be for the premium students. It's going to be for premium students. So yeah, that's all about it. Yeah, once more again, thank you everyone for coming and joining us. That's the end of the stream, and right now I'm about to end it. So I wish each and every one of you guys a very good and profitable week, right? So most importantly, trade with very good risk management, bro. Even if you are able to make 5% of your account size for the whole week, remember, it's still a profit. It's not everyone that can have like 5% profit on his or her account profit, right? So teaching price action, plot in accurate support and resistance, and also trend lines. Yeah, remember, even if I'm going to make this video, I'm not going to go in-depth details of how you can do it. I'm not going to go in depth. I'll just give you some tips. That's how we do it on YouTube. We give you some tips and you figure out the remaining things on your own. That's the reality, bro. I'm not saying you have, once I share the video, that's 100% what I do. No, don't just believe that. I like transparency. It's better for me to tell you exactly what I'm going to do than for me to just do it and cover it up, right? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share some tips, not me giving you my whole strategy. No, I'm going to give you some tips. So that's it. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. So right now, we can call it a day, a night, or so ever. So thank you very much, guys. See you during London session, right? Because that is the time that we will execute some of our trade. So see you by then, guys. Good day, good night, and good morning.